All right. So, Brian, we're talking about real estate being too expensive. Why? Tell us briefly why they should use you and Guild Mortgage.
You should use us because we're creative and we have ways of getting around to somewhat mitigate the expensive part. We can make that expensive house not so expensive. We just think a little bit outside the box with a lot of these ideas we've talked about, and creativity. Got to be a little creative.
Well, and I'm going to speak to that a little bit because Brian, I've known Brian for quite a while now, and that's a lot of times when you go to like your credit union or your bank, they have your box, your loan box that they're going to put you in, and if you don't fit the exact criteria, they won't fund you. They won't do that. What Brian's saying is that he's going to take a look and see what's your best option. He has access to multiple fronts and multiple loans, and so what's going to be best for you? And so by having somebody like Brian that has been in the business, he's going to know how to navigate that and get you the best dollar for you to be able to buy the house.
Right, exactly. And Guild Mortgage, my company, they're a national mortgage lender, Guild Mortgage. They're putting a ton of money into moderate income affordability programs. Just tons of money into that stuff because they're really trying to get that going a lot more than they even have in the past. So they're really moving on it.
That's awesome.
Yeah, a lot of stuff out there.
And just like with the mortgage side of things, you want to do the same thing with the real estate side too.
Yeah.
Because in real estate right now, and we were talking earlier, about 70% of real estate agents have not done a transaction in a year and a half. I don't know if you'd want to go in and get your knee replaced by a doctor that hasn't done one in a year and a half.
That's probably not a good idea.
Right?
Yeah.
And so when we're talking about ADUs and parent cosigns and 5-year ARMs and all kinds of different financial things and how to work that, you've got to have a great team that can put everything together.
Yeah.
And so work with the right agent, work with the right lender, and let's go get you a house and quit whining about it being too expensive.